Let me guess. I bet you have heard the term affiliate marketing before, whether it was from a friend or a random post on Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok. But maybe you don't know what it is. So basically, once you become an affiliate for a company, that company gives you URL links for their services or products. For example, companies like Teachable or Canva provide services, and a company like Amazon has lots of products that you can promote. So basically, when the customer buys the product or service, the affiliate will get a small commission for promoting it. This small commission varies from companies, and it can also change over time. And in my opinion, the best thing about affiliate marketing is that you get to promote products and service that you already love and use. You get to share them with the world, and you get paid while you're doing it. So today I'm gonna go over 3 different topics related to affiliate marketing. So first of all, what do you need to get started? Second, how can you start? And the last one, what are the best affiliate marketing platforms to join? Stick around so you can also learn how to promote your favorite products or services. So what do you need to get started? So basically, you need to choose a platform like a website slash blog, YouTube channel, Instagram, or even TikTok. I know people that do affiliate marketing with just Instagram, but to be honest, it's much easier to build an audience and increase your affiliate sales via blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog is relatively easy and cheap nowadays. You can get started with WordPress, Medium, or even Wix. The other platform is YouTube. YouTube is the second most used search engine, and creating and upload videos on YouTube is free. So what are you waiting for? And once you create and upload your videos, you just need to optimize your videos for SEO, and you can include affiliate links in the description. So how can you start? The first thing that you need to do is choose your niche. Your niche should be something that you love to talk about. It's much easier to be consistent when you choose a niche that you are extremely interested in. For example, this article on Medium talks about the most popular niches on YouTube. There is no right or wrong. The right one is the one that most resonates with you. The second step is finding affiliate platforms like Amazon Associate, Impact, and ShareASell, or companies that are in your niche but they're not in these platforms. So think about products that you already use and love. Look for affiliate program on their website. It's usually on the bottom of the page, and click to apply. So this is how I joined the ConvertKit affiliate program. I love the services that this company offers. So I went to their website, and on the bottom of the page, you can click on affiliate program and apply. And just so you know, it took me just 2 days to get accepted, and they also have a great training related to affiliate marketing. The third step is to create great content. You can create content in a form of product review, case study, tutorials, like the one I did on my last video where I talked about how to create a YouTube banner with Canva. And you can use also resource page and even emails. The key is to create high quality content where your affiliate links fit naturally. The last step is to always optimize your site or your videos for SEO so you have a better chance of ranking. And what are the best platforms to join? My favorite one is Amazon Associate because they have tons of products that we already love and use, and their platform is extremely easy to use. Next, we have CJ Affiliate, Impact, Share a Sell, and ClickBank. All these platforms are networks that have many companies from several categories like music, health, education, financial, that you can apply individually. One of the best things about these platforms is that before you apply for a company inside of one of these platforms, you can see how much would be your commission, and they also have lots of options that you can choose. Later videos, I'm gonna go more in details on how to apply for these platforms. Let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested on that. And again, if the company that you want to promote is not in any of these platforms, you can go to their website and look for affiliate program. On the bottom of the page, chances are that they have their own affiliate program process. A quick note, you have to let people know that when you promote a company, you may get a commission in result of that. It's called affiliate disclaimer. So I hope you learned something from this video, and let me know in the comments below what's the #1 company that you'd like to promote because you love their product or service. And please remember to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online.